Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Back with another video right here. I don't mind me. I'm just a little up and down right now. I just dozed off about a couple hours ago, so I just woke up. Alright, just woke up, just about to get into a quick cash out. Alright, make sure you take this money seriously. Alright, people, take this money seriously in this time of need. Alright, in this time of need, take this money seriously. Make sure that you're using this money to stock up on whatever you need, supplies, essentials, whatever you need, and anything that you need to do is 100% free. Alright, check my channel out. Watch me and do what I do. Alright, people, it's gonna be OfferNation right here. Got a $45 cash out right here, $33.17 right here, and $12.05 right here is my points. I'm gonna convert this. Go down here and convert this. This is why I love my system, people, because no matter what's going on, you can always rely on it. Alright, so people out there that's lost jobs, don't have jobs, need extra money because of loss of jobs, like, check out my system. Take some time, go into my system, watch my different videos. Alright, I have so many different tutorials that teach you exactly step by step, in depth, exactly what I do on an every single day basis. Alright, I'm gonna convert this right here. It's gonna be $45.22. Let me go. I'm gonna withdraw this. Always do PayPal. Instant PayPal should be in my account within a few minutes. Not even with a few seconds, actually. I'm gonna hit withdraw here. Should be in my account within a matter of seconds. Let's go to I'm gonna go to my go to my PayPal right now. Just logged in real quick. As you can see, it's already in my account. Alright, PayPal balance $44.32 in my account. That quick, that immediately, that smooth. This is why I try to tell you. That's why I try to tell you guys. Let me come back here to convert, and you can see my points right at 0. Alright, so like I said, once you come here, you can put whatever you want. So I could have put $20 and saved some money in here or whatever, but I just cashed out the whole thing. Alright, so like I said, take this time seriously. Take everything seriously right now, as far as the income that you're making, as far as using my system. You're 9 to 5. Hopefully that you are still working out there. If you're not, use my system. Make $5, $10, $15, $20, $30 every single day. Like, learn how to do that every single day. You make $30 every single day. You at $900 at the end of the month. $30, 30 days a month, you're at $900. So it's up to you on how seriously, how much time you have on your hands, and how much work you're gonna willing to put in. Alright, because my videos, I have over 400 videos that seriously give you different angles, different tutorials, different ways on you to earn easy income every single day. All you're doing is basically answering questions. All you're doing is basically watching ads. All you're doing is basically giving your opinion. So it's really just, what do you need the income for? Usually I tell everybody, take that money, take it, invest. All right, but right now is the time of need. So right now I understand people are. So a lot of people live in check to check, things like that, of that nature. So when you do get the extra money, stock up. Stock up. All right, put your family first. Take care of what you got to take care of. Put put the essentials in the house, and make sure you take care of your family and be safe out there. All right, but just make sure you use my system. All right, I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial right here. Give you a quick tutorial, and like I said, most of my points come now off of my referrals. Most of my points come off my referrals. 90%, 95% of all my earnings come from my referrals. All right, but if you watch my first 10 videos, when I had 0 subscribers and I was grinding, I was actually making more money. All right, so right here I'm gonna go to right here you're gonna go to paid surveys. All right, so if you're gonna do like I said, watch my other tutorials. It's more in detail. Right now I'm gonna give you just a quick summary of the steps that you need to be taking once you sign up. Make sure you use my link to sign up in the description. Use my link, you get a promotional bonus. Alright, it could be a promotional bonus that they give you once you sign up. Alright, it could be a sign up bonus. Alright, so first thing you want to check out. Alright, now if you're international or overseas, first thing you want to do, if you're international or overseas, basically if you're not in the US, you want to check out the most popular surveys, because that's what basically people are completing. If you're overseas, if you're in the US, you want to start with your surveys first. Alright, your surveys are usually the highest paid surveys. Your surveys, opinion surveys, and is it live? I think it's Say So. Say So surveys are usually your top 3 surveys, alright, as far as income. Alright, daily paid surveys, you check that out. That's usually easy ones. They're low income, but it's usually easy, so you can bang them out fast. Tap paid surveys is all you're really doing is just tapping. Alright, so basically say, oh, what do you like, glass or plastic? What color do you rather prefer, blue or black? What do you prefer, tall or short? What do you prefer, you see what I'm saying? Like, so it's all different. Like, tap is just really just quick answers. Quick, yes or no answers, or this or that answers, alright? Another one good is, Wanna Ads, alright? Wanna Ads is really good. Now, these other different providers, once you start making money on what I tell you to go to first, then you go to these different ones and give it a try, give it a test out, because it depends on your demographics and it depends on your profile, which survey provider would be best for you. Alright, so I don't want to tell you guys to use a certain one and don't use this or don't use that. I'm just telling you to go to the ones I'm telling you to go to first, so you can start having some income first. So now when you start getting some income, you go, alright, cool, this is good. Or you maxed out maybe on this service, there's no more service available for you, you go on a different one. You know what I'm saying? We'll go to offer walls right here. Now my offer walls. On offer walls, you want to go to Peanut Labs. Peanut Labs is very good. All Peanut Labs is really is you're basically basically doing tasks and signing up for offers, but basically like they'll be like, sign up to this website for free calendars, email calendars or whatever. Like, you know what I'm saying? Or go to this site and stay here for 10 minutes. Browse around for 10 minutes and you get points. Or sign up to or if you're buying something, like say if you're buying Hulu or something, you get $5 for signing up to Hulu. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just weird random stuff, but it's like offers. Like Peanut Labs is just basically like offers. Alright, so Peanut Labs is good. Wall Ads is good. To watch your videos, you're gonna go to Video Lab. Go to Video Lab and go to Engage Videos. Video Lab and Engage Videos. Run these 24/7 as much as you can. Pick one. Do not run both at the same time. Alright? You will probably get kicked off if you run both at the same time. So just pick one and run that. If you're overseas, always check out the worldwide offers immediately. Bang those out first, right? Bang those out first, right? But if you want to, you're going to go to Wanna Ads right here, Video Lab, or Engagement Videos. Overseas, you're going to go to Worldwide Offers. Alright, you also have Wall Ads right here, and you also have Peanut Labs here. Alright, another two that I do like is Say So Rewards and Offer Turo. Alright, so there's a reason why I don't tell you to go here. I don't know how these work. Right, like I only use, like when I used to do this every single day, and I used to bang them out every single day. This is what I used to do. Peanut Labs, Offer Turo, Say So Rewards, Wanna Ads, Ad Set Videos, Worldwide Offers. Now, one thing you have to understand when you're doing surveys, when you get up on my system, you start using these different sites and put them together on every single day basis, you have to understand it's gonna be slow at first because you're not used to just banging out surveys. You don't have a rhythm yet. Once you get a rhythm, you're gonna understand and realize like there's certain parts and phases of each survey. They're gonna ask you profile questions in the beginning. Then it's gonna be opinion questions. Then it's gonna be the actual survey. You see what I'm saying? So you have to answer these correctly. So the profile questions have to match. Your answers have to match up to the same answers that you put in your profile. So you have to make sure that these match up. Make sure you take your time at first. Take your time. Because once you start doing these surveys, you start getting a lot done. You're going to start realizing that most of them are repeat, because it's going to ask you profile questions, which is almost all the time repeatable questions. Then it's going to ask you opinion questions, which you can bang those out. Then it's going to be the actual survey. But you have to pay attention, because if they ask you a certain question and you put like a weird answer or a crazy answer, a blue magic carpet for an answer, sometimes they'll put crazy stuff like that. You click that, you get kicked out the survey. So you have to pay attention, all right? Now, if you're having trouble with surveys and you're always getting kicked out, always getting kicked out, always getting kicked out of surveys, you have to see why you're getting kicked out. What question is kicking you out? Usually it's the same question kicking you out over and over. If it is, that means you're answering it incorrectly. You need to answer it differently. I know it's a survey and it's an opinion, but this is most likely a profile question. All right, this is most likely a profile question. All right, so that question is not, when you're answering it, it's probably not matching up to what you put in a profile, and you're getting kicked out the survey. So if you feel like you're not even getting one survey done, 2 surveys done, this is probably the reason why. Go back and see your profile. Make sure you memorize or remember everything that you put in your profile, and make sure you answer the same exact way. All right. Another tip is always put that you make 100,000 and up in your household. All right. That's just good, because it shows that service provider that you have money to be buying stuff, and you go out and things like that. It just shows that you have money to do that. It doesn't show that you actually do that, but it just shows that you have money to do those things. So I just put that up there, right? So there's a lot of different, like I said, there's a lot of different angles and different things you need to pay attention to when you're doing surveys. You have to understand when you first do them, you're not typing as fast, you're not reading as fast, right? Once you start doing them and you start getting used to them, you're going to get faster, it's going to be easier, you're going to fly through them. Alright, so right here it says a $45 cash out, OfferNation, 100% free income, alright? I just had to pay my electric bill was $600, alright? Not for just this month, like the last 2 months. So it was 1 month and then the last month, so it was $600. So I had to just pay that. I had about $580 on me, so I put $580 on there. So now I gotta pay extra $20. So I'm gonna put an extra $20 with this, alright, on my PayPal. Pay that, and then I'm gonna have extra $20 for gas, and right back to the grind. Alright? So you have to understand, like, the income coming in on every single day basis is great and all, but it's the hardest part ever is to figure out how to multiply that income on a daily basis, but not just multiply it, but actually invest it in something that you could really do something big with. All right. So every single day, I'm out here pushing, grinding, kicking, scratching, clawing, figuring it out. All right. I use about 20 sites daily, other 10 sites, 10 to 15 sites that I do have. They use sporadically whenever the time needs for cashback apps, and just different times that I use those different apps and stuff like that. But I got income coming in. All right, so it helps. This is what I'm trying to put you guys on, because I want you guys to know how it feels to get income every single day, whether it's $1, whether it's 25 cents, whatever it's 50 cents. Imagine you're just getting 50 cents every single day, right? Like, I understand it's like, yo, what are you talking about? It's just 50 cents. I understand that, but you have to learn how to gain income online every single day. Once you can gain 50 cents, you can make $50. You can make $50,000 every single day. All right, people are doing it every single day. So we're gonna get to that point. I'm not gonna quit. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Everything I learn, I'm gonna tell you guys. I got some crazy videos coming up. Stay tuned, people. Stay tuned, all right? Free online money maker. Shout out to my subscribers. Shout out to everybody out there. Hit me up on Instagram at Free Online Money Maker. Hit me up on Facebook at Jesse Lewis. Ask me anything. I'm super transparent, all right? $44 cash out. 100% free. Yeesh.